Okay, good morning, afternoon, evening to everyone. My name is Aldi. I'm the weirdest tutor that you will have ever found on the internet. And today, we will continue our journey learning Sundanese by learning about Sundanese vowels. Let's go! Sundanese have 7 different vowels. E, E, and O. These 7 different vowels are all used in Sundanese on a daily basis. The first vowel is A. Okay, it's always read as A. Regardless of what word it is written, it's always read as A. Yeah. So, for example, we have the word dahar, which means to eat. Although you would only use dahar when you're talking to, your friends and not someone obviously older than you. Yeah. We also have damang. Damang is healthy. And we also have hasep. This means handsome. Yeah. So A is always read as A, regardless of what word it appears in. Okay. This also goes the same as E. Yeah. This letter is always read as E, regardless of what letter it came with. For example, we have the word teaching. Yeah. It means to stand still or to be still. Yeah. Or to be quiet. Teaching. And then we also have wani. Yeah, wani. Wani means brave, yeah. We also have hiji. Yeah. Hiji means one, the number 1. Next we have u. Yeah, it's always read as u. Yeah. For example, some Sundanese word with that would be dulur. Yeah, dulur. This means a relative. Relative as in, your family relatives. Yeah, like family. Your family relatives. And then we have bujur. It means your butt. Yeah, it's bujur. It means your butt. Yeah. There's also a harsher word that can be translated as the ASS, but let's not talk about it now. For now, yeah, for now. We also have the word kudu. Kudu means necessity or necessary. Yeah. And then we have the letter O. Yeah, it's always read as O. For example, orai. Orai means a snake. We also have the word rokok. Yeah, it's a loan word from Indonesian rokok, which means cigarette. Yeah. And then we also have the word what's another word that's with O? Orai, rokok, boloho, yeah. It means looking dumb. Like you would use this word to describe someone who looks like a dumb person, like oh, or a clueless person. You can also use that, a clueless person. Okay. A, I, U, O. Oh yeah, we have the 3 A's. Yeah. Yeah, these three are read differently. If you see the first one, it's always read as in bener. You don't stress that word, yeah. Bener, which means correct, yeah. Oh, okay, it's okay. Let me just so it makes consistent, yeah. Nah, it's bener, bener. It's not stressed, yeah. It's not stressed, bener, which means correct, yeah. Or karep. It's not a polite word, yeah. Karep, which means will. As in, if you say karep maneh, it means you up to you, or you do whatever you like, something like that. Yeah, we'll talk about it later. And then we also have the word gemes, 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 mes. Yeah, the mes one means cute. Okay. If you see this modifier, the curak, yeah, above e, it will be read as e. Yeah. For example, the word eling. It means mentally healthy. Or oh yeah, another word with this one. It's kedul. Yeah, it means lazy. And meja. I think we can use the word meja. Yeah, meja. It's a loan word from Indonesian that means a desk, yeah, or a table. And then it's a lot of words, but I couldn't think of one when it comes to it. Yeah. Hey, the one is like it's similar to this one, but you pronounce it more boldly, and like a bolder version of bener. Like take example. Let's just use example. Ewe. Yeah, it means unavailable, empty. Yeah, it's read as w to the the It's similar to French, similar to the French language, if I recall it correctly. Yeah, it's and then we have hente. Yeah, it's a combination of this word hente. Yeah, hente. It's a good example to differentiate the stressed and unstressed one. Yeah, hente. Yeah, hente. Yeah, which means no. No. Or even Sundanese people often just omit the hen and say te, which means no. Yeah. Or there's also this word Ciberem. Yeah. Ciberem is usually the name of a place, but the berem part of Ciberem means red. Yeah. And the Ci one usually means water. Yeah, but usually if you see Ciberem, it's the name of a place. Yeah, Ciberem. There's a Ciberem in Bandung. There's a Ciberem in Bogor. Lots of place named Ciberem everywhere. Yeah. So Sundanese have 7 vowels. Yeah, a, I, u, o, and then the 3 e, and e. Yeah, I hope it clarifies the vowels of Sundanese. Next, we will be talking about what would you do if you meet vowels in Sundanese followed by another vowel. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much and see you in the next video.